Silk Ina and I, Cory Walia, are here at the MyGlamm studio. It's the occasion of her Sangeet tonight. We're going to give her a super glam look. And right now I'm going to start with Tinted Perfection. Tinted Perfection is a base primer and pore minimizer. It also has enough coverage and color in it as a lovely base. My next step is Chisel It, a 3-in-1. It has a shader, it has a blush, and it has a highlighter. It contours the face beautifully. Followed by some blush. The next step is eyes. Here I'm using the All I Need eyeshadow palette. The important thing is, do you see this here? This is an eyelid primer. I'm preparing Silkina's eyelid with eyelid primer. Very important thing. So I use primer on her face, primer on her eyelid. Now the eyeshadow, this lovely pink. I'm now using the Powder Magic pencil, which is perfect. Well, my next step, MyGlamm Wheelie liquid eyeliner. But instead of a pointy tip, this eyeliner has a little wheel that allows you perfection. And now, Silkina, the final touch, lips. And for that, I'm going to use 2-in-1 matte lipstick and lip liner, which is called Perfect Curves. What a lovely color on you, really beautiful.